Hey. We should stay in touch. See, I'm real close to figuring out who's behind these attacks. And when I know, I need everyone's input. How we hurt the guys responsible.
Whatever you need, brother. You know I'm there.
Absolutely.
Morning.
Hey.
Wayne Unser. Don't believe we formally met.
It's Greg. What are you doing here, man?
Friend of the club, just wanted to stop by and make an introduction.
Well, I gotta get this done, so...
Don't let me stop you. The other fellas around.
Dude, it's not a good time, all right? Got shit to do.
Oh, hey, go, hey, morning. Wayne Unser.